Welcome to the Spa and Massage Booking Chatbot Preview. This smart and intuitive chatbot is designed to elevate the way guests explore wellness services, making their self-care journey effortless, relaxing, and completely stress-free. The experience begins with a warm welcome followed by a clean and simple main menu featuring 4 options: services, packages, book slot, and contact us. These are standard industry options, but they can be fully customized based on your business needs and requirements. When a user chooses the book slot option, the chatbot gently guides them to select their preferred service or package. After the selection is made, the bot automatically sends a short and seamless questionnaire, collecting essential details such as the guest's name, contact number, preferred date, and time slot. Once all information is submitted, the chatbot instantly generates a clear summary of the booking request and sends a confirmation message, making the entire process smooth, quick, and hassle-free. This preview highlights how the spa and massage booking chatbot enhances customer experience by combining simplicity, convenience, and a touch of relaxation at every step.
Now that we have explored the chatbot preview, let's look at how to install a template in ihakimi. From the dashboard, navigate to the template store. Here, you will find a wide range of multi-industry templates. Select the template you would like to install and you will be taken to the installation screen. On this page, you will see a short summary of the template and its basic content. Click Next Step to continue. In the next step, you can either choose an existing bot or create a new one. After selecting the bot, copy the template you want to install and click Create Bot. A new folder containing the installed template will automatically appear inside your selected or newly created bot. Now, let's step inside the Flow Builder. This is where our Start node resides, the point from which every chatbot conversation begins. From here, we access the Welcome node and the main menu options, all of which can be customized based on your business needs. Each menu option opens its own individual flow. Within these flows, we can display all types of content such as images, videos, cards, and more through different nodes. This structure makes it easy to create rich, interactive, and fully customizable chatbot experiences. And that completes our walkthrough of the Spa and Massage chatbot, template installation process, and Flow Builder overview.